cut the carbs but never cut the flavor. Y'all tap in and let me show you how I make this easy but flavorful keto meal. So the first thing I do is take some frozen broccoli, warm that up. Then I season it with some salt and pepper. I add my cheese, microwave it again so the cheese can get all melted. Next thing I do is add my bacon. Now you can cook your old bacon or just use the bacon from the package. It all tastes the same, okay? Next thing I do, add a little drop of sour cream. Then you want to add a little chives on there. And y'all, this thing was banging. I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. And the flavor is good. Cut the carbs, but never cut the flavor, baby.